Today we're going to look at the 5 things that you need to look at or ask before you choose a lot in a brand new subdivision. Before you build your house, you go around and you pick which lot you want in the neighborhood, and we're going to talk about the 5 things that you definitely want to know before you pick your lot. The first question, which this one's kind of obvious, we'll go through the easy one first, but you got to know which plan you want, because not every single lot in the development can hold that plan. Say you have a 50-foot lot and your house is a 1-story that goes this way, probably not going to fit on that lot. So first you're going to have to pick your plan and see which lots can accommodate that particular plan. Number 2, what will be behind the lot? So if you're going to build a 1-story house, chances are you probably don't want a 2-story behind you looking into your backyard. Now, if you're choosing to build a 2-story house, then, whatever, you're going to be looking at their yard, they're going to be looking at your yard. But if you're a 1-story person, you may not want a 2-story behind you. Also, right now, if you're backed up to the back of the neighborhood, what's the development going to look like behind that? Is it going to be more houses back there? So right now you might have an open field, but is it going to be more houses, or is it zoned commercial? Are you going to have a, say, convenience store pop up there in the next 3 years, where you're going to be having 24/7 lights in your backyard? Or is it going to be a shopping mall behind you? Just kind of things you want to know. What is the lot behind you zoned for? So that's number 2. Number 3, what does it face? So if you're facing, again, an open field, you want to know, is it houses on the other side? Are the houses the same kind of house as your house? Or is it going to be an apartment complex? Is it going to be townhomes or duplexes? Is it going to be commercial? All of these things are things you're going to want to know before you choose that lot. Number 4, is it on the inside corner or the outside corner? So some people like to choose a corner lot because it's a little bit bigger. But if you're on the inside corner, the front yard is going to be it's going to be a triangle. So your front yard is going to be a little bit smaller, and your backyard is going to be huge. If you choose an outside corner, the front yard may be huge because you're going to have yard wrapping all the way around your house, and then your backyard might be really small. So those are kind of things you want to know. And in that corner, if we're talking about corners here, is there a stop sign there? Oftentimes people with kids don't want to have their kids playing in the yard where there's an intersection. Okay, last but not least, this is actually the number 1 for me. Is there a street that T-bones into the house? Okay, so say your house is on this street, you've chosen this lot right here, and there's a street that comes right into here, and then you turn right or left. My biggest pet peeve is when I'm sitting in the house at night and a headlights go straight into my house. So you definitely don't want that. So I would not choose the lot on the dead end. I hope this was helpful. These are 5 things that I would definitely look at before you choose a lot in a brand new subdivision. If you would like assistance from me in choosing your lot, and you're in the Fort Worth area, please give me a call. In the show notes, there are ways to get in touch with me or to make an appointment. So I would love to chat with you about your new build. Have a great day.